good chilly afternoon to you. Obviously, I have been out of the swing of recording for a little while because I completely forgot to have a chat to you this morning when I got up. But I had my breakfast banana, and then I went and did some journaling. I did my daily prompt spread for the day, and so I'm going to do some lunch now. I'm going to steam this Delicata squash whole in the Instant Pot. It only takes about 5 minutes for one this size. And then while that is going, I'm going to trim up some green beans, and I have some of the corned beef that I made on New Year's Day. So I will reheat that, and that will be lunch. Welcome back for dinner. I bought this salad kit for sale or on sale at Kroger's, and I'm just going to beef that up a little bit. I have some English cucumbers, tomatoes, some crunchy peas, some grapes, and I'm going to cook a chicken breast with some lemon and the everything seasoning that I make in the air fryer. So I'm going to put this in the air fryer as soon as it comes up to temperature, and then I'll get this prepped, and that will be dinner. All right, so my salad is ready, and chicken is just about finished. So this particular salad, I really like these 80 Acre Farms. I don't buy them when they're full price because they're like $6, which is still probably a good deal. But if they're $2.50, I definitely will get them. This particular one, I use the whole container, and so it is 290 calories, and that gives you, it had croutons, Parmesan cheese, chickpeas, and heart of palm, and then the butter lettuce. And then I added the other stuff, and when I was looking at it, I was like, there's not a lot of color on there. So I put some pickled onions on there. And then it comes with a roasted garlic Caesar dressing. And yeah, as soon as the chicken finishes, I'll get that on there, and that'll be dinner. And that will actually close me out for the night. I don't have a fruit and yogurt bowl tonight, so I'll see you tomorrow.